Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your LinkedIn additional name on your PC with the latest update. It's a quick and straightforward process that you can complete in just a few clicks. First, open your preferred web browser and go to LinkedIn's website. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the settings. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Me icon. This is where you manage your profile and account settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account preferences where you can customize various details about your profile. In the Settings menu, find and click on Account Preferences. Here you'll see several options related to your profile information. Next, click on Name, Location, and Industry. This section allows you to update your personal details, including your additional name. Now, simply enter your new additional name in the designated field. This is the name that will appear alongside your main name on your profile, helping you to highlight nicknames, maiden names, or other identifiers. After you've typed in your new additional name, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your LinkedIn additional name on your PC using the new interface. This small update can make your profile more personalized and easier for your network to recognize you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials on navigating LinkedIn's latest features.